5 by 6 is 30. 8 by 6 is 48. The answer is 348. 2 by 7 is 14. 6 by 7 is 42. The answer is 182. 7 by 2 is 14. 9 by 2 is 18. The answer is 158. 1 by 8 is 08. 5 by 8 is 40. The answer is 120. 5 by 9 is 45. 2 by 9 is 18. The answer is 468. 7 by 9 is 63. The answer is 630. 9 by 8 is 72. 3 by 8 is 24. The answer is 744. 4 by 9 is 36. 3 by 9 is 27. The answer is 387. 8 by 4 is 32. 5 by 4 is 20. The answer is 340. 4 by 8 is 32. 7 by 8 is 56. The answer is 376. 9 by 8 is 72. 5 by 8 is 40. The answer is 760. 2 by 2 is 4. 3 by 2 is 6. The answer is 46. 4 by 7 is 28. 4 by 7 is 28. The answer is 308. 8 by 7 is 56. 7 by 7 is 49. The answer is 609. 5 by 5 is 25. 3 by 5 is 15. The answer is 265.